A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Motorists will face large increases in petrol prices this week. Come tomorrow, motorists will pay nearly $2 more per litre for petrol as Petrojam announced that $1.86 will be added to the price for 87 and 90 gasoline. Diesel will go up by $1.44, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will be increased by $1.47. Kerosene will see $2.39 added to its price. Propane and butane will see increases as well of 50 and 19 cents, respectively. And crude oil future prices ended lower today, with traders expecting upcoming U.S. government reports to reveal the impact of Hurricane Harvey-related crude production and refinery shutdowns. West Texas Intermediate crude fell 48 cents to settle at $45.96 a barrel, the lowest finish since July 21. The first tranche of the TEF Exim Bank small and medium-sized loan facility, which was launched last year, has been fully disbursed. The loan facility provides financing to small, medium-sized tourism enterprises. Approximately $311 million was borrowed at 5% interest rate with a 5-year term.
Attractive terms and conditions, but it really would put funding into the hands of those who needed it. Access to finance continues to be a major impediment for growth, and these kind of facilities prove that if you structure loans appropriately or financing appropriately, it can have the impact we need.
Loans were disbursed to attractions, small accommodations, restaurants, shopping, manufacturing services, spas, and the transport sector. Today, the tourism minister presented the Exim Bank with the second tranche of $350 million to facilitate phase 2 of the program.
It has enabled the continuation of the growth of tourism as a discrete sector. And for me to be able to say to you today that the industry has expanded by 36% over the last 10 years. And that compares favorably to the overall economy itself that has expanded by only 6%.
Let's talk some more about money, this time currency trading, which ended today with the US dollar selling for $129.33. The Canadian dollar is selling for $103.71. The pound sterling is going for $167.53, while the euro costs $157.24. And in Wednesday's trading session, the JSE index advanced by 1,201 points to close at 255,849. The junior market index made a negligible advancement to close at 3,093. The winners were led by Main Event Entertainment, Lasco Financial Services, Supreme Ventures, Stationery and Office Supplies, C2W Music, and Panjam Investments. The losers included Cable and Wireless, Jetcon, Verita Investments, Honeybun, Radio Jamaica, and 1834 Investments. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, has outlined the sectors which it believes will help to further grow the Jamaican economy during this quarter. The economy grew by 0.3% during April to June and should grow between 1 and 2% during July and September. PIOJ Director General Dr. Wayne Henry gave details at a press conference today.
Growth in the short term is expected to be driven by 1. The mining and quarrying industry, consequent on the formal reopening and resumption of production at the Alpart alumina plant. 2. Construction, reflecting the anticipated increase in housing starts, increased hotel construction and expansion, as well as an uptick in road construction and expansion works. 3. Hotels and restaurants, facilitated by increased room stock as a result of the expansion of existing properties and the construction of new hotels.
Dr. Henry cautioned, however, that adverse weather conditions locally and internationally could impact growth. Weather conditions may also send up oil prices. Due to adverse weather
conditions, such as Hurricane Harvey, which resulted in the controlled shutdown of refineries in the U.S. Gulf. Production in the Gulf accounts for approximately 50% of the USA's crude oil refinery capacity. Petrojam uses the Gulf reference prices as a basis for computing local fuel prices.
That's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.